And Howell. We've got Chad Allen in the house.
Hey,
We've got our beautiful model, Diana. And you are working out with a resistance band.
That's right. And this is a 20-pound weight I have in my hand, but if I drop it on my foot, it doesn't hurt anything, right? It's not those barbells, those dumbbells. This is, you can take it with you, throw it in your luggage. And Diana is modeling our door anchor, which comes included, a foam door anchor, so you can do a lot more exercises. Upper body, lower body, we give you the whole kit.
We give you the whole kit and caboodle, as they like to say. In fact, we have a 10-piece set that you're getting for $19.99. Already very popular. We have sold thousands of these. And when I saw it on air, I said, this is what a girl wants. No one wants to go to the gym. No one wants to get in their car. No one wants to scramble to a class. You work out when it's convenient for you. You're getting the yellow, the red, the blue, the green, and the black band. They all comes with different types of resistance, so you can customize your own resistance level. You're also getting everything you need, like the handle grips. You're getting the ankle bands. You're getting the door anchor, so you can put it right over the door and have some resistance there, and you're getting the storage bag. You get all of this. You get a 10-piece set for less than $20. So this is like $2 a pop.
That's right.
It's great for men, it's great for women, it's great whether you're just beginning a few exercises. You could do exercises sitting or standing.
Oh yeah.
And you can customize it.
That's right. Resistance training, Bell and Hal didn't invent it, but we sure did make these for you at a really reasonable price. What makes resistance training so popular? Why has it been around so long? Is because you're building longer, leaner muscles. That's what's happening, right? And so every time I stand on this, or any sort of exercise with this, and I go up, I have resistance up, and I have resistance on the way back down. As compared to like a regular sort of free weight, right? Because gravity is working against me. Well, it's really helping me, quite frankly, because it wants to bring the weight down, and then I'm just lifting it back up, and then it drops again, right? What if I need to work on my shoulder? I need to do an exercise this way. And now it's the completely wrong movement for the weight, okay? And this is a 15-pound weight. 15-pound weight is your red band. I'd have to buy 2 of these to get the same result. Times 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'd have to buy 10 of these to get the same resistance. This was $35.
Right.
35 bucks. And you can already hear me a little winded from working out.
That's why it's not very practical to have an entire set of dumbbells, because you'll need different weights for different activities.
Then you need a rack to hold them all.
And then you need a home gym. And you certainly need a place to do it.
Right.
So I love the idea of resistance bands. In fact, my husband and I were introduced to resistance bands during the pandemic, and we were trying to find out ways to exercise at home. And this solves a lot of problems trying to figure out how to exercise at home when you don't have the room and you don't have maybe the finances to set up a whole home gym.
That's exactly right. Now, there's big commercial gyms going on. I drove through mine the other day. I wanted to go, but there wasn't one parking spot. It's very busy this time of year, right? And you spend money every month, but you want all the exercises you can do. So you can do everything from a squat, lower body, to bicep curls, upper body, to shoulders, to back on the door, to even, I get on the floor here for a second, you can even do your core, and I have mic packs on, because you can lay here and then do your sit-ups and your curls like this.
Wow.
It feels so good, because as you go back, I'm pulling against it, and it is assisting me on the way back up. And now, my form's a little off here because I got these mic packs on the back of my body, but I'll tell you something.
I feel it.
It looks like nothing. Oh, are you ready for this one? Wait.
Oh, you feel it.
Yeah, ready for this? Hang on.
I can feel the burn right now.
You're already standing on it, so if you stand on it, you ready to work on this? Okay, here's how it happens. Just hold them firm up here. Take a step to the left, a step to the right. Step to the left, step to the right. Okay.
Looks easy.
When Sarah and Chad are quiet,
that means we're concentrating.
It looks, I watched my show back.
You're right.
And I watched my show back and I thought, that doesn't even look like anything. What was I, but you feel it.
Yeah.
It feels so much differently than it looks. And it even comes with, and I'm gonna go, can I have that from you?
But you have to push, right? You have to push to get your leg out. You have to push to get the other leg out. So you're constantly working some of the biggest muscle groups of your body. You're gonna get all the instructions. You're gonna get some great pictures. So they actually show you all the different ways that you can exercise. You could work out every single muscle from your neck down.
Yes.
You could get your lats, you could get your triceps, you could get your biceps, you could get your back, you could get your chest, you could get legs, you could get quads, you could get hamstrings, you can get gluteus. You can get calves.
Yep.
You can work on flexibility and strength. And if you order it right now, I have one for you. This is such an amazing value. We ordered some during the pandemic, Chad. Gosh, it was like several times this price over.
Oh, yeah.
And it was worth every minute and it was worth every penny because we found endless exercises to do at home. But I've never seen anything like this. I mean, for about the price of one band out there at retail, you're getting an entire set. How do they do it? They're Bell and Howell. They've been around for over 100 years. So you can use this, your partner can use this, your spouse.
That's right.
Roommates.
Share with the family. We're not worried about this equipment. Every single resistance band is embroidered with the weight on it. There are not stickers. Look at Diana there, actually. And I'm going to walk to Diana for 60 seconds because before I show you, I want to show you the embroidering on the weights as well. Now I'm going to ask Diana to stop moving so I don't get hit with this. But I'm going to open this door because I want you to see, look, that's all it is. This is the door anchor that comes included. That's foam. I don't know what's on the other side of that door. And so this is foam. So it's not going to scratch or mar your paint on your door or your door frame. There is no trick. You just literally toss it over the door. Yes, close the door. Now she'll pull it and make sure that's nice and tight, and then she'll start her exercises. That was the setup for Diana. And take a look at her back. I mean, do you see what's going on right there? Hello? I mean, this is going to be spring, summer, spaghetti straps, tank tops. What do you want to do? Work on all this. That's how you do it right there.
Yeah, show us some more exercises while Diane is there, because I know for a lot of women out there, what a girl wants is really nice arms.
Yep.
And it can be hard, it can be intimidating to do that at a gym, to know what equipment to pick up.
Look at this.
You are getting really great strength training right here. And this is like longer, leaner muscles when you work out with resistance bands, right?
I am so impressed because of all the muscle activation here. Now, Diana's not lifting the big, heavy dumbbells and the weights. I'm looking at the monitor, sorry, I should be looking at you, but I want to see Diana's muscles. And as Sarah pointed out, what's happening when you're using resistance training is your muscles are long, your muscles are not short. And you break them when you're working out and they grow back. And so when they grow back when you're using resistance training, you keep your long, lean muscle. You're not going to be a big muscle Olympian after this, no. But what it does is it keeps your muscle the same length, even though it breaks it, micro tears to grow back bigger, it doesn't bulk you up. What it does is define you and tone you. That's why athletes, professional athletes, myself, want to be more compact, lean, faster, mobile, free, mobility. That's what resistance does for you. So in between every big weight at the gym, my personal trainer and I always use resistance. We start with it, we do it in between sets, and we end with it. It's the best type of workout for the results I want, Diana wants, probably you want. Unless you're going to be in an Olympic weightlifting competition, the best type of training is resistance.
How do you know I'm not doing that already? Actually, I just had a PR at the gym.
You did? What was it?
Yeah.
You want to talk about it?
I was like doing like a squat thing, and I had like, I don't know, there was some little extra weight on there.
A PR,
and
personal record.
Personal record.
Yep.
Those are the little things that make me go, oh wow. I mean, I'm not lifting a lot of weight, but to make small goals and achieve them, I mean, every little bit makes you feel like you can take on the world. I want that feeling for you. There's been a lot of discussion in my family. I've got sisters, I've got moms, I've got aunts, about as we age, what happens? We lose muscle mass.
Yep.
Muscle mass diminishes as we age.
Everybody.
Physical activity is one of the most important ways to maintain that muscle. Why do you want strong muscle? So you can have strong bones. The more I learn about what happens to our muscles and our bones as we age, the more and more important it is to make sure that you're doing physical activity that adds strength. Strength so we can do everyday things. Strengthen our legs to go up and down stairs, to get in and out of a chair without assistance. It can be little things in life. It could be carrying groceries. It could be lifting something in and out of the car or picking up the grandchildren. You want to feel strong. You want something that can empower you at home for a very small investment. We're not asking you to join a gym.
No.
We're not asking you to meet a trainer and go somewhere in public and you have to find a cute outfit and you have to find a parking space and you have to get there every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Sometimes we don't have schedules that work with those classes or the gym, or maybe you have that as part of your routine, but you need something at home. This is also great for travel. This is also great if you live in a small apartment like I do, or you're in a condo, or even great if you're in a dorm or you have to travel for work and you're thinking, how do I work out in my hotel room? This is all you need is this little bag.
That's
okay, how many gone now? 18,000 gone. This has been one of our most popular items. By the way, I was reading the reviews, Chad.
Yes, please.
People love this. Just got it. Great for the money. This one I loved. I am now 70 years old. I like them. They are fun and easy to use. Fun and easy to use at every age. This one says, I have cute arms to show for it.
They really do. They're going to tone you. You're worth the 20 bucks. Let's just start there. You are worth the $20. You can't buy a gym membership for 20 bucks. It's going to grow with you, okay? And so this is resistance training. This is not the big heavy weights. The whole pack weighs less than 5 pounds, everything combined together in the little bag, which means you can throw it in your luggage, things like that. I want to show you what makes our resistance band set different from everybody else. Look at the embroidered weights. Usually those are like little stickers and they come right off and you're like, what was that black band again? I forget how much weight that was equivalent to. By the way, how we measure weight is always the gauge of the tube. So you notice as the colors go, the tubes get smaller and smaller. That's what makes the weight the best, right? Every single in there has its own carabiner, okay? There's carabiners at the bottom of every one. You have soft handles. And when you're talking about these handles, I'm gonna show you this. If you have anybody, and I'm gonna give it to Sarah in just a second, you can combine 2 colors together. If you grow outside the black, the 30 pound, you can start to combine them so you have 2 bands at the same time. Sarah, this is perfect for me, for you, for the whole family.
Woo, you're gonna feel like an Olympian. I love that. Thank you so much. Chad Allen, what a girl wants is great looking arms and a great looking booty. You're gonna get all of that with those bands. Those were one of the Your Pick items. Now, I don't think we have Facebook up tonight. A little technical.